The Amazon listing page is divided up into a number of sections which we shall now consider in turn. The first thing you will see of a listing is the title. This is a maximum of 200 characters. It should describe the product being sold. For the purposes of this section, we should be looking at the Matchstick Monkey teething toy. And here is the title at the top. Images are in many ways the most important part of the listing. An image must be a minimum of 500 times 500 pixels or 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels to enable zoom. Variations refer to the ability to buy multiple types of a product from the same page. So, for example, clicking on a variation will enable you to buy a different or to see a different size or a different color. On this page here, you've got a variation both in terms of size, style and color. And you'll notice if you click on the color that the title changes at the top. This will also change the offer available here on the right hand side. The bullet points appear under the variation and should be short, descriptive features of the product. Here they are, there's 5 of them here. On the right hand side of the listing is the offers for that product. The featured offer is the offer that Amazon has chosen to be the most prominent offer for that product and the one that the customer will add to their basket if they click buy now. Becoming this featured offer is known as winning the buy box. Here, as in common, the featured offer is delivered by Amazon themselves. Down here you will see other offers available on that product. And here there's 4 other offers available on that product. We should be discussing winning the buy box later on in this course. The description for a product is further down. It is a free text field. It's often ignored by sellers, and here you can see they've given a very, very short description. A+ content is rich content which is submitted by the brand owner. Here you can see where it says from the manufacturer. There's content areas here where they've added images and they've added text. Additional details are attributes of the product, such as the makeup of the product, the color of the product, care instructions, etc. And these can be seen further up the listing. Customers who buy the product have the opportunity to leave a review. And you can see here the star rating of the product. And this one has had 5,193 star ratings. And you can see here where customers have submitted details of the product. They've also submitted photos. 87% of people have left a 5-star review. Now we'll be discussing the search performance of a product later in this course, but how many reviews and the quality of the reviews does feed into the search performance of a product. Questions and answers. These are basic where customers have asked questions about products and either the manufacturer or other customers have answered them. Here we go. There's a list of questions here. And finally, there is a search term field in the back end of Amazon. This actually isn't seen from the front end, but it allows the seller to add additional search terms which can be used to help performance in the Amazon search. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.